Cookie scoops come in various sizes. Here's how to use them effectively for your baked goods. Use the number 6, number 8, and number 10 cookie scoops for measuring jumbo muffins, cupcakes, and supersized cookies. For medium-sized cookies, meatballs, and falafels, use the number 20, 24, and 30 cookie scoops. The number 30 scoop dispenses 2 tablespoons of dough, perfect for medium-sized chocolate chip cookies. For drop cookies, truffles, and protein balls, use the number 60, 70, and 100 cookie scoops. To begin, gather your dough, cookie scoop, and baking sheet. Fill the scoops bowl with dough and pack it tightly to create a uniform and rounded edge. Hold on to the edge of the bowl to stabilize it. Flatten the exposed edge of the dough against the bowl so it's completely level. Finally, squeeze the spring-loaded handles to release the dough onto the cookie sheet. Cookie scoops simplify the baking process and save time.